What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another daily video. Today we're going to be going over Bitcoin, and this video might be a little bit braggy in the very beginning, but yeah. Let's just recap kind of what's been going on here. So as you guys can see here, on the 21st of May, we were looking at this. So you guys can see here, 21st of May, right here. I was saying that in the moment, I was saying that we could come down to around this area right here if we took these lows. And then I was thinking after that, we could come up to this 39,000 region if we do end up coming down to there. And well, what do you know? We came down exactly to this 33,600 area, exactly what it is that we were looking at here, 33,600. If I actually just do this, you'll see here, 33, we came down exactly to that level right there. You see the red box. Then we came up. This is just, like I said, a region, and we hit right here, this weekly money line right here. So we are around this 39. Again, trading is never like spot on. So we came up to around that 39,000-ish region, and we got that rejection. And then on the whatever day this was, the 22nd, we were basically calling for this D level. And like I said, this is just 618,786, the MC level-ish area. So we're looking for this area. We got that area. And then now we're coming down here to around that like 30,000, 31,000-ish area. We were calling for that on the 22nd. And as you can see, on the 23rd, we did come down to that 31,000, 30,000 region, exactly like we were talking about. And now we've come all the way up. And so, I don't know if that doesn't deserve a like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. I'm not exactly sure what would, because we are calling this level, this level, this level, and then now we're getting a rejection at this level. And why are we getting a rejection at this level right here at around the 39,000 again? Well, it's been acting as a strong resistance, number one, to begin with. But if we pull the Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, you'll see we're running into the MC exactly. So we swing faired these highs, boom. And now you can see down here on the RSI, we have this trend line on the 15-minute chart that we are basically respecting to the dollar. I mean, we're literally right now live hitting that low, and now we're kind of bouncing up. So one of the things that we could expect it to do is to come up and test this 40K psychological, fill in this little section right here. And if we pull our fixed range, let's see, something like this. We do have this point of control coming in right here. So this is something that we could be looking out for a nice little rejection. So let's see here. Let's change this over to a point of control, a local point of control. Where the hell is that at? Local point of control right there. And so that's something that we could be looking at, as well as you have your 786. So let's just go ahead and put a red box of resistance right around this area right here. So there you go. All the people that are watching on the phone, you guys can see that. And so, let's see, there we go. I got to bring up the time. So that's what we're kind of looking to the upside. And yeah, if you guys want to join us, you guys can, oh yeah, so don't forget, you guys, I have an altcoin channel down below, so make sure you guys are subscribed to that, where I'm going over all types of altcoins. You guys can see the XRP army is loving the videos. And also to join us over on Discord, because that's what we're doing, like live trading, live streams, and we got a pretty good community over there. And if you want to be and also too, do not forget to take advantage of this limited time offer. The information for all of this stuff is down below, down here. So the bybit, don't forget to take advantage of this. You can get up to $1,600 bonus by signing up to bybit, and you also become a red pill community where we actually live trade. So if you want to be part of a live trading community, join us by signing up, and you have to deposit and start trading. So more about that a little bit later. But anyways, yeah, you don't want to miss out on these things. So if this is the high, we could be seeing this starting to form here. You have this A, B, you could come down here to take out all these lows for the C, and then we could seeing ourselves blast all the way up to who knows where, right? This is just random arbitrariness, okay? And if we pull our fixed range, something like this, you'll see that this C is lining up with this high volume node, value area low. We also have a high volume node right here, and we have the point of control right here. That's where we're kind of getting our bounces from as well. And then we also have a high volume node right here, which is lining up with the point of control around 40,000. So we have a high volume node here lining up around 35,100. And then we also have a high volume node value area low coming in at around 34,000-ish, 32,000 to 33,500-ish are the regions. And so that's kind of what it is that we are looking at. If I did yep. So this is something that we could be looking at to continue to move to the upside. That's definitely a possibility. So I would say for the sake of this video, we are looking at these levels. If this is the high, well, I mean, the high could be anywhere around here. You know, again, this whole region right here could be the high, but we're just going to leave it like this. And so we could say that whole region right there. And then let's go ahead and take a look down here. This is our region of support that we want to basically be looking at. Support just around this area. Again, this is just maybe plus or minus $500 or $600. And we are starting to get a little bit of a drop. If we start to close below this trend line right here, then yeah, it's going to look like something. Yeah, if we close below this trend line, it's possible that we do start to come down and correct all of this, right? Because usually once you get up this high on the RSI around the 70, 80, it's time to get some corrections. But we could end up seeing price come back up, put in some divergences on the 15, and then come back down. And then so let's take a look at what we've got going on the volume charts. So to the downside, let's take a look. Oh yeah, and another reason why we're getting this rejection right here is because of this. So let's go ahead and put all this stuff into a whatever this is called. So we have our naked previous day levels. Look at this, the previous day, naked previous day value area high to the absolute dollar. And then we're getting a little bit of a rejection. So that's why you want to make sure that you guys are marking those down. Because I go over those every single morning with the people who have signed up to my bybit information and become part of the red pill community. So let's wait until ExoCharts decides that it wants to actually load. Let's take a look at the net longs, net shorts to give us an idea of what's going on right now. Ever since we hit that low, you guys can see that the longs were not opening up as much. They were closing. Ever since we hit that low right here that we were calling for, we've just been seeing nothing but higher lows and higher highs for the net longs, and net shorts are just continuing to go down. And again, if you don't know what this stuff means, that's okay. That's perfectly fine. Just sign up. And we'll be going over that type of stuff. So yeah, like I said, with the red pill, we do live trading and all that fun stuff. So yeah, yeah, right now we're at a pivotal moment. Let's just say we're at a very, very pivotal moment. Let's just take a look at this right now. So you guys can see here the naked session point of control is coming in right here. It's acting as a support for us. And then we also have the session point of control right here acting as a support. So to the downside, like I said, well, actually here, let's take also a look at why we got a little bit of a rejection up there too, because you can see here, look at what happens when you get to these highs. Nobody is interested in longing anymore. You get to these highs, very, very amount of little amount of longs either getting stopped out or taking profit. And then ExoCharts wants to mess up on us, but it's okay. And then you have longs taking profit right here too. And so you don't have anybody longing, but you also don't have anybody shorting. So that's why we're getting a little bit of a stalemate. You guys can see here on all the exchanges, you have like a 50-50 going on here right now. And let's go ahead and check out the overall sentiment on this chart. And again, if you become part of the red pill community by signing up to my information down below with bybit, you get access to all of these templates. Okay. And so yeah, let's just see here. So we have, it looks like they were selling a lot of big players were selling right here. And then they've started to move towards buying. They started to stay steady with their buys. They've started to move towards buying and just buy. So we have overall buying across the board. You know, all across the board right now, things are looking kind of bullish as far as the past, let's say 4 hours, I should say. And that brought us to where we're at right now, which is basically right here. So, yeah, let's just check out one more thing really quickly. Then we will go ahead and yep. So you got some point of controls coming in. 3,500, 35,200. Okay. Yeah, so just make sure you guys are taking note of these. 3260, 600, 35, 200, and 36, 300. So yeah, like I said, that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys are slapping a like on it, subscribing, all that fun stuff. Again, do not forget to subscribe to my altcoin channel. The information is down below. Right here. So if you just go to show more, you'll see the altcoin channel. Again, don't forget to take advantage of the $1,600 bonus. You have to deposit and start trading with it in order to get the bonus. And if you already have an account on another exchange or a bybit account, that's fine. Just transfer your crypto over to this new account in order to be a part of that. And then also join the Discord. So yeah, those are the levels that we are currently looking at for the day. Yeah. And if there's any other updates, I'll be updating them in the red pill. This is where I post up most of my stuff in the red pill. We do have people in the blue pill. If you want the real, you don't want the information that I'm posting. I would say mainly it's in the red pill community, but the blue pill is just for anybody who joins. You guys can see there's a lot of charts that are coming in here and a lot of conversation going on with Bitcoin. So yeah, that's it. I think. Peace.